Yo, guys, no. So, just to give you an update on what was going on today on Big Brother House, Tandega has been trying to decampaign Uliama like for the whole day, be it with Ramona, be it with Q, be it with Dumida Baba and everybody else, whereby she's saying, Ogutsi, you know what? Uliama, it's not as if uyamthanda uNeliswa, and those tears that she was crying, they were so fake. Because how can, as a friend, your friend is crying, shouting, and trying to, start a fight in the Big Brother Mzansi house with another housemate, and you know very well that they're gonna probably get a strike, and you are there crying and not even trying to intervene, grab them and stop them. What kind of friendship is that? And you know what? I've been telling Nelly Swa that, you know what, these cliques that she's trying to form, they're not gonna work. You know what? She deserves it. She deserves to leave. I don't like Liema, this and that. And now, to me, the Baba ran also with the narrative, right? Because to me, the Baba now, whenever he's with Q, he's like, you know what? You were not right. You were not wrong, my guy. After seeing the clip, you were provoked and what so not. Guys, we're not saying that he was not provoked. He was indeed provoked. However, also he needs to take accountability for the words that he has uttered, as much as we're saying that Didi also deserves to get a strike, and Neliswa also deserves to get a double strike because she became a physical in the house, of which the rules clearly state that you must not be, right. Though we felt bad, we're like, okay, but hey, and now konje ubani, this girl Thandeka is like, naye uNeliswa bekangena iindaba ezingamfuni. Like, this was not even her fight to be involved in to begin with. That was between Didi and Q, and seeing that now she wants to fit so much with the girls. Now she then got a strike because she involved in herself in things that she was not supposed to. Oh, and another interesting thing, Uthandeka was there the whole day, telling konje ubani ummeli that ilokhuzana yakhe isiphambili sakhe, like the thing, it's itching, and ummeli was like, no, it will be okay, but just like using your fingers. And it was like, no, the fingers have bones, like now it needs something softer, something gentle, and I was like, Thandeka, what are you trying to do in that head of house room thingy? But do you think they did it, or they've never done it, or they just playing a game? I don't know, but this is a lot. This is a lot. But after Bravo B, learning that Bravo B and Trixie did it, probably Tandega and Melly did it as well. Also Nelisa and Dawn. But tell me what you think, because now, Guliti Laga Big Brother. See you on to my next live upload, guys. Love you to the moon and back.